Which is better, Claude AI versus ChatGPT? First, let us have Claude AI. Claude AI was created and developed by Anthropic. It generally boasts a significantly larger context window, allowing it to process and remember much longer conversations and documents. This is often described as more natural, human like, expressive, personable, and empathetic in its responses. It tends to be more careful and consistent. While newer Claude models are multimodal and can process image inputs, for example, describe images, suggest recipes from food photos, its image generation capabilities are less developed than ChatGPT's. Now let's talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. While it has improved, its context window is typically smaller. For example, GPT-4o has a 128,000 token limit. ChatGPT often employs selective recency-weighted attention. It can sometimes feel more robotic or neutral. While capable of creative writing, Claude is often preferred for tasks requiring a more nuanced and expressive tone. With models like GPT-4o, ChatGPT excels at handling various multimodal input, including images, audio, and videos. Overall, choose ChatGPT if you need an all-in-one AI toolkit with diverse features. You require image generation or advanced image analysis. You need real-time internet access for current events or up-to-date information. Choose Claude if you need to process or analyze very long documents or conversations. You prioritize a more natural, human-like, and expressive writing style. You are a writer, analyst, or developer who needs depth over breadth in text and code work.